Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can download the ChatGPT and install it on your PC or on your laptop. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to go to our PC or whatever we are using, and then we have to click on the Windows button. And after clicking on the Windows button, we will be able to see the Microsoft Store button. So we have to click on this Microsoft Store button. So let's click on this. And after clicking on this, the Microsoft Store will be open like this. Now whatever you want to install, for example, I want to install the ChatGPT. So we have to write that here. I'm going to write the ChatGPT, and then simply we just have to press the enter. And after pressing the enter, you will get the suggestions here. Now you have to choose that which app you want to download or install. So as you can see, now these different types of apps are provided here, but I want ChatGPT, so I'm going to click on this. And after clicking on this, as you can see, now simply we will get the gate button here. So we have to click on the gate, and after clicking on the gate, it will be installed. So in this way you can download and install the ChatGPT on your Windows, on your laptop. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do that. So see you in the next video.